Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. Gray Wolf here, and I just wanted to do a quick video and let you guys know that Gray Wolf Press is now global, and so my paperback and hardcover books are available in most bookstores like Barnes & Noble, as well as libraries and educational databases. And you can pick up your copy at graywolfpress.net. And I sure hope that you give it a shot and spread the word. You know, we're looking at right now my two books. My first one, An American Patriot's Journey to Make America Great Again. And the second one, which is more of a civics workbook, easy to read, easy to follow guide through America's founding documents and principles. And that one would be great for homeschooling and just overall understanding of everything from the Declaration of Independence to the Bill of Rights. And so you can enjoy Liberty and the Inkwell. And they are available on Amazon or barnesandnoble.com and pretty much any one of the bookstores in the country right now. So that's what I just wanted to pass this message along to everybody and let you know that I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and make sure that you check us out. I'm working on my third book, which is The Patriot's Path, and that's going to be a book for understanding what we can do as Americans in this time. So I want to say again, Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year, and God bless you, and God bless the United States.